So guys, tea is ready. It looks good. It is the book I usually read. As one of my friend Nachi, his name is Nachi, and he told me, he advised me to purchase this helmet. Actually, previously I don't have any proper idea regarding helmet and all. He suggested me to buy this helmet. So thank you, Nachi. Your recommendation worked for me. Thank you. So today I am going to a place 15 kilometers from our house. Let's go. So today bike sound really good exhaust note. So I'm talking about almost 10 to 15 years back. This road was not so developed, so bad at the time. So we came to this place by Bossel Jeep. Now road is so developed, quite good. Especially when you travel through any village area, you feel really amazing. The people in the village, they have the kind of so positiveness and innocence in their face. When you look at the climate, look at the people around, you feel the treasure is here. Life's really treasures are really here, which might missing in the metro cities. So you can get organic way of living, so mindfulness. Yeah, lots of things over here, and some drawbacks are that lack of connectivity, lack of internet. So some issues and pros and cons, like every place have. Especially in this area, the construction work is so good and so basic. The temperature of the house is really low and good. Air qualities, waters, lots of things. So I almost crossed 13 to 14 kilometers. I am just 1 or 2 kilometers away from my destination. When you're riding Honda Shine in a very long term, then the kind of Z sound, Z is really fantastic, and really looks nice and sound too nice. So in my English, there might lots of grammatical mistake errors may there. I also don't know, maybe there, but I'm still trying to speak in English. So our destination is there. We almost reached to the place. Destination आ गया, चलो. So last video I got a copyright strike due to I just use a music in the background. So this time I am not adding any background music in the here. तो मैं अपना जो हेलमेट है अभी यहाँ पे प्लेस कर देता हूँ. बाइक का जो ग्रैब रेल है इसमें मतलब कस के बांध दिया हूँ, गिरने का कोई चांस नहीं. हाँ, अभी जो पानी का बोतल है उसको अपने जो डिक्की में वहाँ पे भर देते हैं पहले. So it is the road towards Harisankar. I am still not going there, but I am just on the path. I will return after some kilometer. So in this place, I have a very different story. I am sharing with you now. So before 6 or 8 months, I just came to this place, and you see the turning. So as a beginner at the time, my brake was fail because it is a very sharp turning and very huge turning. And I was very new to this bike, so I am and I think हाँ हो जाएगा, चलो मतलब दिखते हैं. When I reached there, the place was so sharp. I just literally sleep, but nothing is happened there. My just tire got slip and I just brake suddenly. And this place is surrounded by huge jungles, so deep forest are there. And the atmosphere and climate of this place is really nice. It very peaceful. If you go ahead with this road, you will reach to Nuapara district, and again if you go forward, then you can reach to Raipur, Chhattisgarh. So now I take to that place. So you can see the sand over there, where my bike got slipped due to this sand. In sand, what happens when you try to brake, your brake fails. If I unable to brake at the time, I would definitely be in the gadda, You can see the place. It's very deep, deep jungles over here. So just look at the place. I remember the line in Hindi that जब आप कहीं पे जाते हैं, नए जगह पर जाते हैं, तो आपका नज़र और नज़रिया दोनों चेंज होता है. एंड दैट इज़ वेरी ट्रू. व्हेन यू गो टू ए वेरी न्यू प्लेस, योर वे ऑफ थिंक and your sight gets changed in a very positive manner. So the place is all about inside deep jungles, left to right, in the straight still very one or two bike still coming. Yeah, that is the beauty of Western Odisha. They believe in very simplicity, and this place is really peaceful and so silent. No car, bike coming and going. So peaceful to have here. So in this place, due to lack of petrol pumps, people fill the petrols like this and sell it in the local market.